Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you look at Twitter or YouTube right now, everyone is hyping up a new AI web builder every single week. They type a simple sentence, a pretty homepage pops out, and everyone loses their mind. But let's be completely real. Fast surface level landing pages are incredibly easy to generate, but building a multi-page accurate SaaS application is where most AI tools completely break down. So in this video, I am putting 5 major AI platforms to a brutal identical stress test. V0 by Vercel, Bolt.new, Replit, Agent, Lovable, and Rocket.new. No altered prompt, no editing tricks, same prompt, same test. Let's check out the advanced SaaS brief we are throwing at them. So let's start with Vercel. Here you can see I have Vercel and I'm going to just paste the prompt here. Okay, so it takes a little time to just pasting the prompt and now just click on enter. Now you can see it start sending the details and thinking about it. In the meantime, let's go to Bolt.new and paste the same prompt and hit enter. Same, let's go to Replit and paste the same prompt and hit enter. Then Lovable, and finally we have Rocket.new. Okay, paste the prompt and hit enter. So everyone is working hard, and here you can see in V0 Vercel, I have a implementation plan. So I will just click on build here. Then let's go to Bolt.new, and here you can see it already start creating. Okay, then let's go to Replit here, and it also start creating. Then here we have Lovable, and here you can see this also implementation plan here. So we will just approve this. Okay, we won't make any changes here. Now here comes the Rocket.new, and as you can see it also detected my prompt scores. Okay, now here it so that it found some similar templates here. Okay, now let me just select any template which looks good. So I will go with the second one because the second one looks good. Okay, so here use this template, and I think it start creating, and that's a good thing if you just give some recommendations to use the template. Okay, now we have to just put it here and it start working. I think let me just remove this part, and here you can see it already start working as well. Okay, now here comes the Lovable part, and it also building. Then Replit, it also creating the project. Next come Bolt.new, and it also doing the actions. And here we have V0 by Vercel, and it also creating the pages. So let's see which one looks good, and in the meantime guys, make sure to like, share and subscribe. So finally guys, the design has been created, and here let's start with the Vercel. So here you can see the Vercel is created and worked for 6 minutes and 19 seconds, and here it created the site. Let's open this site in a new tab. Okay, so the site looks very basic. As you can see, it keeps the color theme. Okay, but the design looks too basic. Here you can see the dashboard preview looks very simple and nothing here. Same when I click on get started free, and here we have the dashboard it creates, and the dashboard still looks some too much. And here you can see the dashboard, we have only the overview. If I click on analytics, there is no analytics. If I click on integration, there is no option. If I click on settings, still there is. Okay, we have setting options. Okay, so yeah, these two are not working, but still it contains all three portion. Okay, that's why. Okay, so still it works well, so I will go with that. Okay, next come the Replit. Let's open this in a new tab. So here it creates by Replit, and the design looks good, better than the Vercel. Okay, because it's more informative, but still it looks basic. Now click on get started free, and the dashboard looks quite amazing, better than the Replit. Oh sorry, Vercel. But still here you can see 404 not found. So yeah, the analytics still not created, the integration not created, and the setting is created. So yeah, we can say this looks good, better than the Vercel, but still they don't have these two pages. Okay, next come Lovable. So let's open this in a new tab here, and this is the design created by Lovable, and it looks same like the V0 Vercel, because it's look still basic, but yeah, it's good enough than Vercel. Then let's click on get started here. The dashboard looks quite good, and if you go to analytics, yeah, the analytics part is literally good. Then integration part, yeah, it is still working. The integration part is working, so I feels good. Setting, yeah, so I would say out of Vercel and Replit, the Lovable is going to be the top till now. Okay, next come the Bolt here. Let's see. Okay, so Bolt already created. Let's open this in a new tab here and check is that really good enough or not. So now let me just check is that really good enough. Okay, so the design created by Bolt is outstanding, better than Lovable, Replit, and V0 Vercel. Okay, and it looks good. Now it's time to check the get started part, and here look at the design, guys. So yeah, the design is quite impressive. If I click on analytics, the analytics part is still good, then integration is still good, and the setting part is still good. So finally the Rocket.new generation is complete, and let's take a look. The design was absolutely stunning. While the other tools stopped at a basic landing page, Rocket.new actually built a deeply integrated continuous web application. From the hero section down to the testimonials, the intuitive pricing tier, and the FAQ section, everything looks incredible, premium, and well structured. But here is where it gets crazy. Let's actually click on login here and step inside the app. Look at the user dashboard, guys. It is fully populated with active details showcasing revenue increases, decreases, and data tracking. If we navigate over to the analytic tab, it properly breaks down total revenue, active users, deep metrics. It even added a functional data filter and a working data export button. Moving over to the integration tab, it perfectly mapped out featured, recommended, and all integration and working category filter. And it properly wired up a dedicated setting page too. So, in my opinion, Rocket.new easily takes the number one spot today. Out of every AI builder we tested, like Vercel, Bolt.new, Lovable, and Replit, Rocket.new is the only one that delivers a complete multi-page application structure from a single prompt. But I want to hear from you guys. Which platform design do you think looked the best? Let me know your top pick down in the comments, and definitely don't forget to check out the Rocket.new using the link in the description, because what it just built from a single prompt is absolutely mind-blowing. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, make sure to smash the like button, share it, and subscribe to the channel for more AI coding breakdowns. So see you in the next video, guys. Happy coding.